In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use VS Code for C programming. So first, of course, open up VS Code, and once installed, open up the app. Then in the left panel, go to extensions, and here, search for C or C++. Look for debuggers for C or C++. And here you can download this extension called Runner. This will help you run C and C++ and many more coding languages. Once done, you're now ready to type in your code. So click on File at the top, then click on New Text File. So first, save your file. So click on Save As, add a name to your file. So it could be like this. And for the type, choose C or C++. Then click on Save. And here you can start typing your code in C language. So you can put something like this. Once done with your code, you can now start run and debugging the code by pressing the play button. And if there are no errors in your code, your program or code should run smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!